Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can separate them into 1 over 1 plus s squared dx minus we have the integration of 2s over 1 plus s squared dx. The integration of this one we have tan of s. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 plus s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equal to 2s ds. So about this one we change by u, 2s ds we change by du. The integration of this one we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And then we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.